Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I'm here to show you a new product from Precision Power. Now, it's not completely new, but it's new in this current offering. So when they came out with their drop-in subwoofers, they also introduced an awesome set of hydrophobic bushings that you could install on the bottom of your saddlebag. This allowed you to get a lot more bass out of your sub, radiating off the ground. It gave a really good full sound. But one of the side effects was anytime we took the dropout sub out, our 6x9s also had a lot better bass. So we've been asking, you've been asking, and they finally released for us a kit. It's the HD14.SBV. It's a saddlebag vent kit to get more bass out of your 6x9s mounted in the top of your lids without having to put in a subwoofer. It's an awesome kit, so watch the rest of the video to find out more. All right, so let's talk about everything you're gonna get in your saddlebag vent kit. First off, you're gonna get 30 of these, 15 for each of your bags. Now this is a special bushing with a hydrophobic cloth on it. So air goes through it, but water can't go back in. So the sound from your speaker, the back of your 6x9, is gonna give you this extra bass out of the bottom of the bag. It's gonna sound really full. It's gonna sound better than it normally does. And people are gonna wonder where that extra bass is coming from. Well, it's gonna come from these. So you're gonna get two templates. They're gonna be designed for the short bags, or what we'd call standard bags, on a 2014 to 2023 Harley Davidson. I've got one here off of a Road Glide CVO. And you'll notice as you go to the bottom of the bag, this template that's gonna be included is gonna actually snap right onto the bottom of it. It's gonna have indentations exactly where you need to drill your hole to be able to install 15 of these bushings on the bottom of each of the bags. You're gonna get a left and right template, 30 total bushings, and the drill bit you need to drill the holes. Now, a lot of you are going to ask, what if I have extended bags? What if I have a different bag than the one you're showing? You can absolutely still use this. Just the templates won't work. I still use these even on extended bags. I'll cut a slit in them, and I'll use it for spacing, and I'll drill and put them in. But this is an awesome product. I'm glad that they finally sold it to us without the drop-in sub, because it has a huge benefit to the sound of your audio system. Now, also, Precision Power is going to release a couple kits with their speakers that are going to include this. It's going to be a bundle with your amp, your front and rear speakers, and these. So check that out also at volunteeraudio.com. So it doesn't matter what brand 6x9s you've bought and added to the lids of your bike, this is going to give you extra bass. And check it out, volunteeraudio.com. You're going to see a link above. It's going to take you straight to the product, but you're also going to find it on the homepage of our website. And we'll start offering this as an add-on to many of our bundles that we offer there. Awesome product. Again, the guys at Precision Power always coming up with something that's just a great new idea. And these are in the very bottom of your bag, a place you're not using, a place you're not going to see, but that sound is going to sound so much better. All right, so we're going to add some video clips from some previous installs showing where we cut these into the bag so you got a little bit more understanding of how it works. All right, make sure you subscribe to Volunteer Audio on YouTube and follow us on Facebook for the latest in Harley audio. We're going to bring you new product releases like this. We're going to show you step-by-step videos on how to install and even how to use that product afterwards so you get the most out of your purchase. If you have any questions or comments about what you've seen today, definitely post those below. And if you want, you can give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO. These are going to be available at volunteeraudio.com and in the link above. But we'd also love to talk to you about your build, your bike, your budget. We can help put together the perfect audio system, completely plug and play for your Harley Davidson. So definitely give us a call or check out our website for all of our offerings. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.